Hi everyone, welcome back to part 4 naman of reviewing VA agencies through their website. If you haven't seen the past 3 episodes, yung inuna ko is Magic or Get Magic, pangalawa is Go To. Number 3 is Outsourcing Angel. And for today is related to an angel which is Wing. Ayan, di ba? Wing assistant. So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's get into it right now. So, nakalagay naman dito sa kanilang hero page ay, ayan, they focus on VAs for startups and enterprise teams. Alright, so ito yung mga clients nila. Okay. So, ito yung what can Wing General VAs do? So, manage your calendar, basic reports and research, receive your calls, make travel arrangements, respond to emails, order products and supplies, handle CRM tools, and track expenses and invoices. So, okay. Um, there you go. Meron silang ang wing assistant ay merong kanyang official or official parang platform or app to manage their teams and their work. So bongga, it's giving. Ayan guys, may task na workflows, andito na lahat. I I like this. It's giving me, 'di ba? So I wanna see like um kanino how it works, no? So ayan. This is for clients. So the schedule intro call, meet your client's manager, set up your account, work with your assistant. Let's check on the services first. Yun. Ito yung gusto natin makita mga no? Services. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 categories. General and Admin VA. So, ito, yung mga openings sila, General Virtual Assistant, Personal Assistant, Executive Assistant, Bookkeeping Assistant, and Content Moderator. For industry-focused, e-commerce assistant, real estate assistant, web and app developers, medical scribe, and healthcare assistant. Okay, all right. For marketing, social media assistant, digital marketing assistant, content writer, and graphic designer. So, sales and outreach, lead generation assistant. Oy, baka para sa inyo mga to ha. Sales development rep, bilingual, SDR, outbound, and calling agent, and CRM data entry assistant. So, sa bilingual, English or Espanol or Spanish. Next is CSR and reception, customer service representative, live receptionist, dedicated receptionist, IT help desk support agent. And for US-based talent, ito, kaso pang US-based lang, but at least you know that they have US-based clients. Ayan, all right. Now, let's go to jobs. Kasi ito naman ang pinakakailangan natin mga mi. Oh, okay. So dito nag-offer sila not just for Filipino VAs but VAs from India, Mexico or Latin America and US. All right. So it's 100% remote job, attractive compensation and job security. This is very job security is very promising. Um Performance appraisals and incentives and growth opportunities. That's very nice. Meron sila ditong mga testimonials from the VAs. Wow. Okay, got it. Let's see if we choose Philippines. Oh, ayun. Ito yung mga opening nila ngayon, guys, oh. So, sales scholar, sales development representative, full-time mo. Full-time remote. Ayan. Executive assistant, 'di ba? Healthcare assistant. Okay. Medical scribe, real estate code caller, real estate transaction coordinator, real estate VA, a bookkeeper, content writer, digital marketing specialist, general virtual assistant, graphic designer, social media assistant, customer service assistant, e-commerce specialist, lead gen, and technical support representative. Tingnan natin yung pinaka-basic, no? General virtual assistant. Lahat to guys ngayon ay puro full-time as I can observe. So let's see, let's look at general virtual assistant para mas madali. You know, all right, General Virtual Assistant, full 100% remote. Okay. Ito yung mga gagawin niyo as GVA, no? Number one, store and organize documents and files, data entry, research products, purchase goods, and secure samples, store, update, and collect info for marketing sales campaigns through CRM system, create and send statements or invoices, track payments or records company expenses, gather data on trends, industry best practices, and other publicly available info, and prepare reports on the findings, monitor projects, conduct internal communication, organize company data, coordinate team calendars, prevent scheduling conflicts, and ensure clients are on time and prepared for meetings, prepare in itineraries, book hotels, rent cars, etc., convey information to incoming calls and make calls for appointments or conduct informational inquiries, reply to emails, follow up on correspondence, organize inbox as per client references, and notify clients about important emails, ad hoc tasks. Okay, here are the qualifications. At least 6 months to 1 year of experience as a VA. So, hindi sila naghahanap ng no experience. So, at least dito, 50% of 6 months. Okay, so let's see. At least 18 years of age and completed senior high school. All right, so hindi importante ang college grad here. Excellent phone, email, instant messaging communication skills, solid organizational and time management skills, be able to work on graveyard shift, tech savvy and familiar with current technologies like desktop sharing, um, what they call this, cloud services and VoIP, experience with word processing software and spreadsheets, knowledge of online calendars and scheduling, proactive attitude and willingness to be trained. All right. Technical requirements. Okay. USB headset with noise cancellation feature. So kailangan siya. Working webcam. Computer with at least 1.8 gigahertz processor, at least 4 gig RAM, not bad. Main internet speed, at least 25 Mbps cable connection. Wow. Okay, cable connection. Backup internet service speed at least 10 Mbps. I don't know if required a cable connection talaga, pero baka pwede na Wi-Fi dito. All right, I see. Benefits. Ito na ang favorite natin, Mi. No. HMO, performance incentives, job security and stability, paid training. Oh, may paid training. Nice. Inclusive culture, upskilling opportunities, 100% work from home, exceptionally supportive team, opportunities for career growth, fun work environment, holiday and overtime pay. Schedule US work hours, 20 to 40 hours per week. It's a remote job, salary package with HMO. Oh, ito na. For entry level 1 to 3 years of experience up to 25,500. Is that per month or is it full time or part time? This is something that I am not sure of. Intermediate level 3 to 5 years of experience up to 34,000 pesos. Expert level 5 plus years and above, no, up to 39,500. Okay, here are some things to note. Only qualified candidates will be invited to take assessment and scheduled for an interview. We have other vacancies that might interest you. Your friends and colleagues, they can check us out at job. Ito. You may also refer friends. May affiliate sila, and earn up to $30 if your referral is hired. Ooh, interesting. Alam niya na, Ami. Alam niya na. Let's try to apply to this job. Ano yung itsura ng form nila? Ito na yung form nila, guys. Okay. So you can attach your CV. Ito yung like your basic details such as full name, email, phone number, current location, current company, anong LinkedIn profile link mo. Ayan, application question. Who referred you to this position? Ilagay yung pangalan ko. Jam.blauta. Uy! Website, blog, or portfolio. Ayan, lagay yung link dyan. Desired salary. Oh, you can negotiate. Okay, you can negotiate pala. I see. I see. Kasi kanina hindi clear sa akin kung monthly ba yon or I don't know. What is your earliest start date? Okay, can you work on weekends? What experience level do you have for this position? So, ayan na. Yung kanina. How did you hear about this job? Of course, from me. Sure. Are you currently employed or working on any projects? Oh, be true ha. If you're currently employed, what is your notice period? Oh, see, this means to say that they only allow VAs na to work for them. Hindi sila exclusive. Like you cannot work for other VA companies. I see. Oh, this is one factor to think about as well. No, have you worked for a wing assistant before? During what time of the day can you work? Ayan, so you can choose. Wing assistants are enrolled in a screen monitoring program for quality assurance purposes. Are you okay? Ibig sabihin, no, most likely, parang ano to, while naka-time in ka, okay, nag-screen record screenshot. Okay, so is this something that you're comfortable with? Ayan. And then, add here your cover letter and whatever you want to add here and then submit the application. So yan guys, ang itsura ng kanilang application form. It doesn't say in their website kung ano yung step-by-step process kung paano kayo ma-hire or yung recruitment process. It doesn't say. I'm just curious. How much sa India? Let's see kung how much ang GVA sa India. Ito, Indian rupees, 32K. I don't know how much that is in the Philippines in Philippine peso, but at least you have an idea. Yeah, guys, this is Wing Assistant. If you guys are interested, go to their website and sign up. Go through that application form that I just showed you. Again, it accepts at least 6 to a year, a 6 months to a year experience of VA. Mention time tracker with screen monitoring. But may HMO siya. May HMO siya and other more perks. Very wide na job openings focusing on startups and enterprise teams. So if you like this video, think this is helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you're from Wing Assistant, please comment sa comment section kung ano yung experience nyo, like are you enjoying and everything para may background din ang ating mga viewers, no? And if you want some more, comment here kung sino yung next sa VA agency na review natin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga next natin na videos. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!